So Oppo is about to launch a foldable phone that beats Samsung in almost every single way. Zero crease, AI pen support, 6,000 milliamp hour battery, and 80W charging. Yeah, Samsung should be worried. Let me show you what's happening. What's up everyone? The Oppo Find N6 global launch is set for March 17th at 7 p.m. GMT. That's 12:30 a.m. IST if you're in India. It will take place at the Oppo campus in Dongguan, China, and it's expected to arrive as the successor to the Find N5, which was introduced in February 2025. Pete Lau just released an official Oppo Find N6 teaser, which highlights its biggest upgrades, including the Zero Feel Crease, AI Pen, and iPhone 17 Pro-inspired orange colorway, as well as a giant camera module on the back. The aim is no one else but Samsung, which dominates the worldwide foldable smartphone market. Let's talk about the headline feature. The brand said the Find N6 will introduce a new Zero Feel Crease technology, which is designed to improve the visual and tactile experience of foldable displays. While foldable phones have historically faced criticism over visible screen creases, Oppo mentioned that it has been working to address this issue since the launch of the original Oppo Find N in 2021, which introduced the flexion hinge with a water drop structure designed to reduce crease visibility. The upcoming Oppo Find N6 is claimed to take this approach further with its Zero Feel Crease, which is intended to make the fold line far less noticeable during normal use. The company said that the design delivers smoother visuals and a more natural touch response across the foldable display. The graphics shown in the teaser also highlight the upgrade, with the crease portion showing no visible wrinkle on the panel, and it unfolds flat. Now here's where Oppo really takes a shot at Samsung. Oppo AI Pen is the second big thing revealed in the teaser, which beats the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung used to support S Pen on its foldable phones, but decided to dump stylus to achieve thinness, folded and unfolded. Zhou Yibao, head of the Oppo Find series, confirmed that the Find N6 will support a stylus, described as an AI-powered pen with industry-first capabilities, suggesting deep integration between hardware and on-device AI features. The Oppo AI Pen will be sold separately and requires a compatible phone case for charging. Oppo's latest book-style foldable is said to build on the ultra-slim design of its predecessor and is claimed to be among the thinnest book-style foldable smartphones available. The company claims the phone is designed to offer ergonomics similar to conventional bar-style flagship phones, enabling a comfortable grip during extended use. The Oppo Find N6 leverages an 8.12-inch foldable display, comparable to the Fold 7's 8-inch display. The N6 features a symmetrical Cosmos Ring camera module, which houses a 200-megapixel Hasselblad ultra-clear camera system. The foldable features a 200-megapixel camera for the first time, while the Z Fold 7 features a 200-megapixel wide-angle sensor too. Power comes from the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and a 6,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging, which beats Samsung's dual 4,400 mAh battery and 25-watt wired charging by a humiliating margin. The smartphone will launch in Stellar Titanium and Blossom Orange color options. The Blossom Orange variant features a titanium alloy hinge casing with gold hinge trim. More details about the Oppo Find N6, including its full specifications, are expected to be announced during the global launch event on March 17th. If Oppo delivers on these promises, Samsung's foldable dominance might finally have real competition. Let me know in the comments if you'd pick this over the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and hit subscribe for full coverage on March 17th. Till then, thanks for watching. Peace out.